I'm Shannon. And I'm Renata, and I'm money saving queen, basically.
So, what is your company about?
Okay, so we are utility warehouse. We are provider like anybody else. You probably know British Gas, EDF, BT, things like that. We are provider, so we help people save money on bills and shopping, gas, electric, mobile, broadband, insurance. Boring, but everybody's got it. Everybody has to pay for it. So we're just making sure people pay less.
And how did this company start?
They started nearly 30 years ago. So it was started in London. So
In a
this is,
very, very small pub.
yeah, they started from the pub. You know, it's like few people started it. Charles Wiggoder came on board. He's basically invested some money into the company and grown since then. So we are sort of like a franchisees for the company. So obviously that's not my company. It's £1 billion company. I wish it was mine. But it's grown, you know, over the years. Like I say, about 27 years now, and we've got over 1.4 million customers. Everything is through referrals. We don't advertise. Everything is word of mouth, which is absolutely amazing.
And why is it so important for companies like this to exist and for people to know about them?
It's saving money, first of all, isn't it? Because, you know, everybody's asking for money. People don't have it. We've gone through few recessions. So
Yeah.
if we can help people pay less for things, put everything together, simplified, because everything is on one bill,
Yeah.
isn't it? One app, especially one direct debit. It's important to make it simple for everybody and the personal service, isn't
Yeah.
it?
And I think
I
it's
love that.
important as well because not many people know how money works, bills work, and things like that. It's not really taught about it in school. So from the partner side, when you can go to somebody's house or talk to them on the phone, you can actually help them save like a massive amount of money. Like yesterday, we saved a lady £176 a month alone, which is absolutely amazing. On top of everything else that she'll get from us, like the savings overall, like they'll make a huge difference as well, which is really, really important nowadays. Yeah. How does it actually work? Do people have to pay for this or to pay for your service?
No, it's completely free service. So basically, we are partners. They get personal sort of manager. It's completely free service. What we do, we set up a phone call, or we can go and see somebody if they prefer face to face. Most people want to do it over Zoom or on a WhatsApp call because they just want quick check the bills. We'll go through how much they pay at the moment, how much it would be with us. So usually people pay, you know, gas, electric that much. With us would be that much. They're saving a lot of money. It's completely free to be a customer, and they're happy saving money, and we are happy that we could help somebody. They can recommend other people as well
Yeah.
and get.
So with that as well, there's lots of different bonuses that they can get as well. So if they recommend other homeowners to us, so to the partner, they can get £50 off the bill. And then we've also brought out a connector scheme as well, which is completely free of charge for anybody to sign up through the partner. And what that basically means, if it's a business owner, a small business owner, it could be a charity. We work with a lot of hospice at the moment in Wigan, like Wigan and Lee Hospice. And basically, for anybody that they recommend to us, if we can help them save money, they'll get up to £150, so half of our commission, which is amazing. So they don't have to do anything, but they're fundraising for their businesses and charities as well. So again, as well as helping people save money, we're also fundraising for those who really do need that extra money coming in, and it does make a massive difference, especially with like Wigan and Lee Hospice.
Yeah.
We've raised nearly £500 over the summer for them just by helping people save money. So that's also amazing.
Yeah.
And how would somebody be able to join your business? Because you said it's a big business. If somebody was
Yeah.
looking for their mission to be able to help people, what you guys do, how
Yeah.
would somebody go about
So obviously they can speak to us. We are, you know, I've been in the business nearly 20 years now. Shannon, she's my eldest daughter. She started when she was 18, still in the university. So it's for anybody, you know, if you're student, as long as you're over 18 and you live in UK, you can work with us. There's a full training is provided, mentorship. So it's a business mentorship as well. It's completely free for you. All it costs is £10 registration fee just for the license to be able to promote the services. And we look after them and we grow. You know, you can become a team leader, you can grow, you can get into leadership training and all this. So basically they would have to go on one of our Zooms, information Zooms, or just go on a website and register as a partner. But the best way is just to speak to one of us first so we can explain and see if it's something that actually they would enjoy.
why do you do this? Why is it so important for you to be a partner to help other people?
Well, when I started this business, I was a single mom of three and I had 7 jobs. So like I say, she's older now, but they were babies. And, I wasn't single mom of my choice. Basically, it happened. And 7 jobs, I was working day and night. I can't work like this forever. And so many parents, so many people at the moment have got 2, 3 jobs. Lots of people selling on Vinted, Uber Drive, Facebook, all this. They want extra money. So we're just teaching people how they can earn more money in less time. So it's really important not to struggle. It's so nice to be able to help now other families.
Yeah.
We've got lots of single parents, we've got lots of young people. Instead of, if you're a student, instead of going and working in McDonald's, nothing wrong with that, but you're not gonna get paid much. With us, they can get average £250 for less than an hour's work. You're not gonna get that anywhere, and you can build and you can grow your business, and you can have that business forever with a passive income. So you're making good. We're like making dreams come true
Yeah.
for lots of people, and some people have been, very unfortunate with being brought up, in the families that they don't have much money. But with us, we can show them there is a way. You don't have to carry on like your family background. You can just move on and have business. I was the first one to go to university, but I don't work in a childcare service that I studied childcare because there's not much money in there. You can't support family of 4 on one wage these days.
And we also say as well, sorry to interrupt, it's very important to have that plan B in place because you never know what's going to happen. So you can always have your, whatever it is that you're studying or your main jobs and things like that, but it's always important to have something on the side. So for me, like when I said, I started when I was in uni, had an amazing 10 years after that. I was traveling on cruise ships, traveling the world, doing my absolute dream job. Now I can't work anymore like a normal job because of health reasons. So if it weren't for this, then I'll be stuck at home, probably in bed, not doing anything like the doctor wants. So for me to be able to do this is amazing because it's given me my life back and I can just do whatever it is that I want to do. And even as time grows, she mentioned the passive income. If I don't work 1 month because of my health, then that's fine because I'm still getting paid from all the people that I've helped over the years as well. So that's, again, really important to always have that second backup plan in place because you never know what's going to happen.
Yeah. No, I think that's it. We just want to introduce this to more people because there is an option. Not everybody knows about us, and it's an amazing business. You can work within your community. So some people say, "Oh, I don't speak very good English." Well, I didn't when I joined. I'm from Poland, so there's lots of people with different backgrounds. Our team is
Yeah,
international,
we've got
isn't it?
Portuguese, we've got Italians,
Yeah.
Nigerians. They all do Zooms in their own languages as well. So we will help as well, of course, on the side, but they'll do all the translating and stuff. So we've got a massive multicultural team, especially within our team. We've got people up in Scotland, down in London, Newcastle, all over. We're helping
And
as well,
some
which is
people
amazing.
need that community as well,
Mm.
supportive community. And we want everybody to succeed. So we've got WhatsApp group and we celebrate every single customer, every single appointment, commission statement are coming now. And people say, oh, I've earned £500, I've earned £1,000, I've earned £250. It's just we celebrate everybody's success. And that's what you need. Sometimes when you're an employee, you don't get that recognition. With us, there's so much recognition in this business. You appreciate it,
Yeah.
aren't you? Yeah, whatever you do. So yeah, that's us.
Yeah.